Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to present my project that is Ichibo Ultimate 5. It's the robot for the line follower. And next for the next slide. For the table of content for the Ichibo Ultimate 5 presentation is for the first there's a general specification. For the second, there's a robot hardware introduction. And for the last is the third is software introduction, CIO, CIOS. And next, for the general specification is, and for the robot, it's like this, for the robot. And for the specification of this robot is Ichibot Ultimate 5 is a line following robot designed for national competition, suitable for high school to university level, and released in 2025. It features the ESP32 chip for the processing speed is for the speed 16 times faster than first models. This chip include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for you to update and connection with the Ichibot Android apps. And you can download for the Ichibot Android apps in the description. And with the Ichiba Ultimate, we key up and you can download the application in the App Store for the Ichibot Android apps. And next, key upgrade include 14 photodiote sensor with IC multilexer for stable readings, and have a screen OLED. It's 1.3-inch display for easy configuration, and a 12 volt and 2000 RPM generic motor with a rarity encoder. It also have a magnetic charge for example and confirmed charging. And next, for the robot hardware introduction is for the first is main part of the robot. Ichibo Ultimate 5 has three main parts contained in the device. Namely, for the first, here there's a sensor, and second there's MCU and and mainboard, and maybe I will show you later. And photodiode sensor kit. It's in this sensor part. It is the main component user in reading the trajectory in the form of colored lines, namely reading the trajectory in the form of colored lines, namely the type of the sensor used in the ultimate Ichibo device is a photodiode sensor. 5 is a photodiode, and here we have a 5 photodiode sensor and the sensor. Okay, next. And this is for the MCU. This is a MCU, or we can say mainboard kit. It we use for like configure the robot for following the line. And for your information, this robot can following the only can following the white line and the black line, and continue for the main point is MCU, or we can say mainboard. The mainboard part is a staple part of our type of robots with it, which is where on this part of the mainboard there is a processor or chip that has been programmed to run the command, and deprogrammed to run command on the Ichibot mainboard device is the place where the robot settings are carried out by the user. Okay, next. And for the last component is the gearboard kit. And for the gearboard, it's like this for the gearboard, and we use the gearboard for like make the robot can go if we if don't have the gearbox, the robot cannot run, it will can't go. Okay, and for the description is gearbox is the part where the main component of the robot drive placed in the section beside there are motors, and the spoiler also as the place to put the battery. And like I say before, okay, for the first button, as you can see here, is for the button reset. If you like when you have like you have many code for the line follower competition and you want to reset, just click the first button at here. And next for the second button is the socket plug and play motor servo. And next for and actually I forgot how the second button works. And this next for the three button is socket plug and play motor servo. And I don't know what's and I forgot what is the three button works. And for the five button it's for the four, I'm sorry, for the four button is up L. Yeah, like up L, like normal up L works. And next and for the four button is there here. And next for the five button, it works for button U O I K mine L. And the five button will there's here. And next for the six button, it's button down L. It's there's in down of five button. You can select here and here for the six button. And next for the seven button, it's for the up air. And for eight and the seven button will there's here. And for the eight button is the OKR. It will there's here. And there and the nine there's a button down air as in here, as you can see here. And for the 10 is there is a micro USB here for upload the code from like from um uh, Arduino IDE. You can make a code in the Arduino IDE and you can upload in the 10 button or micro USB button. And for the last is the 11 button is the power switch. Power switch it's like for additional power, and that's for the button and port function. And next, see introduction to software or CIOS. The first step is to turn on the robot using the LiPo 3S battery. Type LiPo 3S battery and make sure the battery pins installation is not reflected between positive and negative. And the negative, next turn on the robot by pressing the switch button in the on position. Okay, next. And in here there's a like home screen for the robot, and like here as you can see there's P1 Ichibot 100% Bluetooth, and like many blocks here, and there is like CP0 and IL00 black or cal. And yeah, I just explained for the function of this dashboard. For the P1 it's like you have a book and the paper is the eye, like you have a book that is 100 page and one page is the eye, like, for the explanation maybe like that. And this is will there is a Ichibot, it's the name of the P. Maybe you want to give the name, it's like competition in Jakarta or what. And this is there is for the 100%. It's meant like the battery of the Lipo 3S, it's max. And there is a Bluetooth here. It's like same for the connect to the Bluetooth. And here there's a Wi-Fi that's same like a Bluetooth for connect to the Wi-Fi. And here many blocks. It's meant like the sensor. If the sensor detect the black or the white lines, it will turn to the white like this. And next for the blacks here, for the example, I want to use the run follower. For the example, I want to join the competition for the line follower competition. And in the line follower competition is have the line or the white, the white lines, and I will change the black to the white. Okay, next. Okay, okay, maybe that's all for the presentation. I'm sorry, cause that's all. Maybe there's like more presentation that I'm not explain, cause I think that's all is enough for this presentation. Maybe that's all. I'm sorry if I have any mistake from my word. The last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.